Hello friends, welcome to Arrived Tutor. Now we are discuss about the Indian history. The topic is Harappan or Indus civilization in around of 2500 BC to 1750 BC. Now we are going for the questions. The MCQs. The MCQs is relevant to the entrance examination as well as your competitive examination like SSC, Railway, MPPSC, UPSC and all. Now we discuss about the first question. The today's first question is the Harappan civilization was discovered in the year. So the answer is 1921 because the after that of the 2500 BC the first civilization is through the organized through the scientists through the carbon dating components like C14 and C12. Now next question is Lothal is a site where dockyard of which of the following civilization were found. Okay, Lothal. Do you know about the Lothal? Lothal is the site, but Lothal is the site, uh, and we have to discuss about the Lothal and where dockyard. Dockyard is like the जहाज बनाने का स्थान, है ना? Correct? तो this is the making where the ship is making is called the dockyard. The Lothal is the state, है ना? The local is the site situated at the state of Gujarat, state Gujarat, है ना? Near about the river is Bhogwana, है ना? Next is district Ahmedabad, and this is the excavator. Excavator is the who invented या who discovered, है ना? First of all, S.R. Rao in 1954. Okay, so this is in which the Lothal site, correct? So Lothal site is presented in around of the which civilization is Mesopotamia. You know about the Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia is the foreign trade site. है ना? This is also called as Bahrain or modern Iraq, situated in modern Iraq. Okay, next question. The third question is the period of this Indus Valley civilization usually built their houses of the answer is correct. Pakka bricks. Okay, you know about the Pakka bricks. We had know about the Kacha Makan and Pakka Makan. So this is equivalent of the Pakka bricks. Okay, next question is the Indus Valley people traded with. Okay, again same as Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia is in you know about the modern Iraq is in Brahnik. This is the foreign trade site. Okay, next is the Indus Valley civilization was known Aran because so non-Aryan why we call it the non-Aryan? The Indus civilization is not included in the Aryan, but this is also included in the non-Aryan. Why? Because it had an agriculture economy. They have equivalent to the agriculture economy. Okay, they have survived on the agriculture economy for trade or for exchange of the goods and services. Next, question number 6. The local name of Mohenjo-daro. The local name of Mohenjo-daro, we are also called as the Mound of the Dead. Okay, next question. 7th one is the Indus Valley civilization specialized in. Okay, the most correct answer Indus Valley civilized specialized in. The answer is town planning. Town planning is depend on the making of the houses. Correct. Next, question number 8. The famous figure of a dancing girl found in the excavation of the Mohenjo-daro are made up of Mohenjo-daro, है ना? They have a dancing girl figure. So dancing girl figure is dependent on the Mohenjo-daro. So excavation through the bronze. You know about the bronze. The bronze we also called as the bronze are included in the more about the bronze is included in the chalcolithic age. This chalcolithic age, the chalco is stands for the copper and lithic is stands for the stone. So chalcolithic age stands for the copper stone age. They have three stages like Harappan, and before of Harappan we called as pre-Harappan, and after that of the Harappan age is called post-Harappan. Correct. So this answer is bronze or copper age. Next, ninth question. Which of the following animals was not known to the Indus Valley civilization? Correct. So was not known, not known. Because one of the answer is not known, but all of the three option I will be known. Correct. So which one is not known is giraffe. Giraffe is not known, but bull, horse, and elephant are had used in the Harappan civilization, Indus Valley civilization. Next question, tenth question. In these options, which one of the not which one of the excavated in Indus Valley civilization? These are important or indicatively work in commercial and economic development is cells. Correct. Next, question number 11. The earliest city discovered in India was. Which one is earliest city? Which one is earliest? Or first of all, we discovered as a city is Harappa, because the oldest name of the Harappa is Indus, or Harappa civilization. We call the Indus Valley civilization. Next question. Question number 12. Which one of the following Indus civilization sites gives evidence of a dockyard? Correct, is dockyard is the meaning of where the ship is made. है ना? So we made up of the ship is called the which we made up of the ship in the era is called the dockyard. Okay, but in Hindu civilization the site gives as a evidence is which one? The site where Indus civilization. Okay, now is Lothal. Correct. The Lothal is the site of Gujarat, district of Gujarat, and near the Bhogwana river, situated at district Ahmedabad through the excavator S. R. Rao in 1954. Next question. Question number 13. An advanced water management system of Harappan times has been underway at. So, underway at the first of all the well or swimming pool are will be there, but we have know about the we had known through the Harappan civilization for at Dholavira. है ना? The answer is Dholavira. Advanced water management at Harappan times. So Dholavira, correct? Depend on the site, river, district, and state. So site is Dholavira, river near the river is Luni, and district where situated is Gulf of Kutch. है ना? Next in this state is Gujarat, and excavator is J.P. Joshi. Correct? J.P. Joshi. Next question. Question number 14. The archaeological finds from Alamgirpur in Ghaziabad district Ghaziabad district reflected in Alamgirpur. Okay, the answer is Harappa culture. Harappa culture was ancient in archaeological finds. So first of all, Harappa culture is found at Alamgirpur in Ghaziabad district. Answer is A. Next, question number 14. Cotton for textile was first cultivated in. So first cultivated in again India. Next, question number 16. Rock cut architecture in Harappan culture contest has been found at again Dholaviyar. So we had learned the Dholaviyar is the site Dholaviyar, river Luni, district Gulf of Kutch at state Gujarat, and excavator J.P. Joshi. Next, question number 17. Which one of the following was not known to the Harappan? So which one known to be Harappan? Not known. So not known is construction of arches, but construction of wells, pillars, and drains are known to the Harappan civilization. Next question. Question number 18. A copper chariot of Harappa times was discovered at. So was discovered at the chariot of Harappa times is answer is Rakhi Gari. Correct. So Rakhi Gari is not the answer. Is Daimabad is the answer of the copper chariot of the Harappa times. Copper chariot means the bronze shield up to the horse shell will be we had used for the wars or the battles to the other countries. Okay, next question number 19. One of the following sites from where the famous bull seals of Indus Valley civilization was found. So Indus Valley civilization was found in this 19 question is Harappa. So Indus Valley civilization, bull seal, first of all using the bull seal of the Indus Valley civilization was found at the Harappa site. Okay, next question. Question number 20. Who discovered the Indus Valley civilization? The first of all Indian discovered the Indus Valley civilization is Dayaram Sahani. He is one of the famous discovered. The Dayaram Sahani is first of all Indus Valley civilization through the carbon dating. Okay. If you want to more videos about the MCQs for the UPSC, MPPSC as well as the other PSC services examination as well as the educational examination or SSC, so please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.